name is Taylor Crenshaw. I am the founder of Peace in the Wild, a Black outdoor community that focuses on outdoor recreation and environmental wellness. Each month, we curate events that include but are not limited to hiking, kayaking, tubing, camping, conservation, cleanups, and so much more. We hope to see you soon, and we hope that you join the community.
You gotta do that again. Would I be like?
Hey y'all.
Hey y'all. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. We are at Taylor's. How you doing?
Hey, how's it going?
Community cleanup project. Over there. She is setting up. What you got to say? You want to narrate this?
Is that my
Minding my black business.
I mean,
it is a lot of logistics that goes into setting up for this that I never thought of. I thought we was just getting some trash bags and picking up garbage, but it's a whole production. Well, I look big. Okay. Wait, you gotta do a smear. Oh. So she got the photographer. We got water bottles. They customized. Earth Gang, super dope. Some Peace in the City shirts.
I need to be getting paid for that.
So this is the behind the scenes before everyone gets here. Oh, they're putting up a backdrop. I'll take y'all over here. Y'all, my bang is about to be poofy before the event even starts. Let me take my glasses off. So cute. Testing. 1, 2, 3.
I can't wait to see the sun good tonight. Oh, we got to see I can't wait to see. No, yeah, they all gonna go like that.
Oh, that's so cute.
Where'd she go? Is it too late to like edit the song?
Oh.
It's okay. I added it.
You can grab a trash bag, gloves, and any one of the pickers. Everyone is pretty much starting to arrive. I've been working the check-in table. I haven't touched any trash, just being prepared. It's a nice turnout so far. And pretty much just showing y'all behind the scenes. I keep saying that, but so dope. It's a lot of content creators. Look, I was vlogging. Hello. You can take a trash bag, gloves if you like, and any one of the pickers. So since there's a DJ, I won't be able to vlog as much, but I'll try to jump in anytime the DJ takes a break. As of right now, they're getting the announcements and introductions set up. So
much for showing up. I know it was early on a Saturday morning, y'all, but we are doing great work in the area that I grew up in, the area that I went to school at. So I'm so happy that everyone showed up for me, Earth Gang, and our partners. I'm gonna give a special shout out to our sponsors.
Hey y'all.
Sakura.
Made it left.